Alakujikallautuutaqarpuma 3D-simulation tikilluarti.
Poppy Playtime Chapter 4.
Alua suuspillurullutsingi.
Just like them, a blind, scurrying little rat. You think poor Yarnaby was my wee pet? You know far less than you believe.
Sisuun ako nakuha. Alua sumukangas. Naksuwa. Еще. Naroon na sumukangas. Ay. Una. Mario may dices. Sorry. Okay.
Please see that he doesn't eat all of you.
Ow.
I'd like there to be something I can see.
Ah, I see.
Do you believe you're taking the moral high road? Is that what you believe? Dear friend, let me illuminate for you an obvious truth. Survival necessitates choices. Difficult choices. This one is yours. If you want to leave this room, it'll come at a cost. It's this little life or yours. You know what you have to do. Just the slightest pull, and you snuff whatever minuscule bit of light still flickers behind those faraway eyes. That brutish glob of clay would do it. Poppy would do it. It's your mission. The door will open. Or is maintaining the veil of your morality more important. Act quickly. So, you do understand.
Yep.
Good. Come now. Let's see which of us beasts of burden Destiny favors.
Cool. mamaya secret kasi yun. Secret kasi mo nang okay, spilling at saya kaswa. Video mo niyo na reaction mi sa ano, diba? Video mo doon siya, Tursia. So naman ng boxing naso. Yes, speaking of which, kaya kakpa. Sunod naman puyok. Sakto dapat tugingwak sa katakto nga si Kotsin ko yaksa sa
You hear it? Like I do. Off somewhere. Somewhere. Far. Beyond this place. Beyond any place. A bell. For whom does it toll, you think? A wounded little pup lifts its head beneath the shadow of the master's raised foot. For whom does that bell now toll?
Unboxing ko sangat guys.
Not even the ground beneath your feet.
I hate buses. Oh no, c'est la réaction, c'est la réaction. Okay. Maria siya tango. May nga sa Salmonet. Apak dong pasinak ko. Kakayumangit yung siyan eh. 자. 오케이. 여기다 클릭. 오케이.
Saved.
뚜루루루뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜. 오케이. 로아주는 지금 나. 오케이. 이야. 예, 아케포. 카드포. 아. Spillet Piano, Schmerz, Mingo naman na siya na. Bako chikawa. Ano, chimok pa siya. Sinaw chimok. Sinaw chimok. Spillet nga sarnak pa siya. Takangin na ako na. Takuni ko nga na. Pingwak nga si Vito. Spillet ko yung nga. 지적할 거는 되고 잠깐 스피커로 시위기 좀 와. 가마르 리액션 단 이제 어찌또. 뭔가 비싸가. 말은 이 어쩌 비싸가. 안 buka bisa. Şuna fan bakımı Türk işleri yaptık bu. 오케이. No, doktor buka pungaw nga. Dabaw nga ako sa kasyo. Dami dahil sumutot linggo, pengat sa kayang misan doon. 나오는 비싸게 많아. 오케이. 소강 똑소리 깍깍. 실버 저거. 네이스. Video 어디 때거 와. Akan na video ko siya. Teko ko. Kaya bisa kaya kakpasang rin. Nakita ko siya. Takama dito.
That you, kid?
Yeah, it's me.
Don't lurk out there. It's weird. Just come on in. Being early isn't a crime. You know why I asked you here, right?
Why are we doing this dance again, boss?
Because you were reported. And all reports from my people come back to me. Look, I'm not here to place blame. Just tell me your side of this. So, what happened?
This guy, Rod, he works the line. One of those twitchy mooks with the side eye. And this guy, Rod, he saw me drop a box he and his boys filled. Kind of irked him. I think he was joking, that's probably how he meant it, but he dropped some line about me disappearing. Him and the other guys laughed. I was having a bad day, so I yelled at him a bit. About him, about the company, about everything, really.
And where were you when this happened?
The factory floor.
Oh, great.
Look, I don't mean to keep causing you trouble, Rich. You're good to me, to all of us. But the company isn't good to you, or to Rod, or me, or to anyone. Leith says Playtime is better than ever, but profits aren't people. And the profit margins betray just how on edge everyone is. Hell, anywhere else, I'd have probably liked Rod. But because he said it like that, and with all the rumors, I just don't know if I can take it anymore. And it feels wrong that no one says anything as loud as they should.
Look, I get it. This company is far from angelic. Trust me, I know that. And you shouldn't ignore it. But there are smarter ways to go about what you did.
I know. I'm sorry.
Hey, no matter what the executives say, no matter the looks you get, just know that I've got your back, kid. Shipping is a family. We look out for each other. That's the way it is now. So don't fight, don't shout. Just come talk to me from now on, okay? I don't want another report on my desk like this one. I fight for you. All of you. And I'm in a position where I can do so.
Thanks, Rich. It's good to know not everyone here is terrible to us.
Not everyone, kid. Not everyone.
Okay, spilling ka kaya kasyawa ka. Pang pang, ping 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 ping. What's up, dude?
You have it! The Omni Hand! Then we can do this. It's You have no idea what this means. It's everything. You've done what none of us ever could. Given us hope. And believe me, down here, that's worth something. Take a minute to catch your breath. I'm sure the others would love to talk with you. Dowie and I will be in the generator room whenever you're ready.
Hi.
Good. You're here. Let's get started. Losing the doctor? It'll have gotten the prototype's attention. He'll be scared. He knows he's losing now. And the orphans are all he has. Now's the time to get to the Foundation. Make everything ready.
Look, we need to talk about this. We shouldn't... Just give it a second.
Ollie? You there? What's...
He's outside!
Ollie?
He's outside!
Who? Who's... Oh no. You need to distract him, Dowie. Please. Keep him away from here.
Without the generator...
I know, but he can't get in here. Not now. Just buy us some time. You'll have to fix the generator. Work quickly. You won't have a lot of time.
But I...
Trust us, Dowie. Trust me.
Just get the generator working. Please.
I'll try to gather the others. Keep them safe. Ollie, if you can hear me, work with our friend here.
Aye, aye, Captain.
You can do this.
You heard her. Now let's get to it. First, you'll want to open the access panel on the generator. It's just a little door on the outside of the machine. Use the Omni hand.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, flip the breaker switch. But be aware, while it's down, so are Safe Haven's defenses. Meaning whatever's out there has nothing keeping it there. We'll have to be quick. Grab an external resistor. Attach that to the capacitor bank. Good. Now use the Omni tool to override the generator's chipset protocols, so we can yank out the busted surge protector. It's the flashing blue light. Pull it! Nice. Now put in a new one. It's done. We did it. Good.
You did it. Thank you isn't nearly enough. No word from Dowie. Whatever happened out there? No, he's fine. I'm sure of it. We shouldn't wait anyway. Head for the Foundation. Plant the explosives. Meet back here after. We'll go over what comes next.
Shotgun. Niby kassangaroa. Sy리 나가고 싶으시. 단로아시 영로 찍어 동네 거는 정어 되고 신나와. 오케이. 아 진짜 막아. Har du også arin? Spedidutlian og dinger shaba.
For all intent and purposes, Matthew Hallard is a dream child. He's thoughtful, kind, considerate, understanding, and while maybe not as intelligent as some of the other children, averaging only B to C level work in school, nor is physically gifted, he more than makes up for it in his charm and charisma. There's nobody down here who isn't fond of the boy. It's just a shame that he came to us already a boy of 15, well into his puberty. Most parents look for a child a lot younger. He understands, though he rarely speaks on it. I know Matthew suffers from deep insecurities. I've read the reports on the accident that put him here. He blames himself for the family he couldn't save. I believe he's on the road to healing, but the way is long and nobody mourns the same. He's become something of a leader to the younger children, though even reading them books late into the afternoon. We allow it. Sorry. The Adventures of the Word Wizard is his favorite. They listen to him when he breaks up fights in the playhouse and hang on almost every word he says, and seeing him like this, assuming this role, I think it's what he needs should he age out. I might even request bringing him onto staff. Signature: Claire Harper. He is a good candidate for 1322C should his personality mesh with the other two, but please be gentle if you pick him. He's a fine young man. The future we're fighting for would be a waste if we sacrifice too many like him. Stella.
Sheesh. Một video đi. You are gonna do. Oh. Okay. Positività maggiore si lavora. Dashing what? The mana paha. Oh, okay. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Приехавшись там с пяти урыкас. Давай. Sono un secondo. وقعت. Video를 던는 줄은 상이라는 뭔가 video를 맞독도 샤로. kaya sinunakot si Saro kan? Sinakalang natin eh.
Sir, ma'am, I ask that you remain calm whenever you interact with the patient. He's only been awake a few days now. In many respects, he's still adjusting.
Is that him? Is that my boy?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Oh, George, that's our boy! Jackie!
Why does he look like that? What did you do to him?
Stop it, George. Just stop. That's our son in there, our son!
Dear, look at it. That's not even human.
Let's just talk to him. You'll see. Let's just go in there and talk to him. Can we? Can we talk to him?
Yes, ma'am, you certainly can. Go on in, whenever you're ready.
Jack, I want you to know, I'm so sorry. I've never forgiven myself for what happened. I played it all back a million times in my head, and I know there had to be something I could have done. I could have reached just a little further. I could have noticed a little sooner. I could have... But we have you back now. That's what's important. We can...
Who are you?
Jack? Honey, it's me. It's Mommy.
Mommy?
Yes. Yes! It's Mommy and Daddy. You remember, don't you?
Leave me alone.
Hey, you'll be okay, I promise. Mommy's only here to talk.
No, I don't want to talk. Get out!
Susan, I think we should leave.
Jackie, I'm staying right here. I'm not leaving you. Not ever again. Do you hear me?
The gentle voices lie. I know what they do. They lie, and they poke, and they hurt. Susan, get away from me!
Jack? Mommy won't lie to you, Jackie. Mommy won't hurt you. I'd never hurt you.
Hey! Open this door! Oh, God. Susan! Please! Open the door! Please!
Anak ko nito ko 씹어봐야. Tama na reaksyon ko. Susok ng reaktor na naman eh. Positive yung aksesusya ko. Pero kasi mo itong reaktor may sisindaw. Isip pa siya. Now what?
Operator, I know this new posting is a weird one, but it's important to what's being built here. Remember, no talking about any of that. Think of it like a promotion. After all, it's you we're entrusting to be stationed here with the eventual additions of heating, air conditioning, working signal, and a few chairs. It might even feel downright cozy. You'll notice this station is equipped with a variety of compounds labeled A, B, and C. If those come into contact with one another and the red smoke, then you'd best make sure your cigarette breaks or somewhere else until the system flushes, otherwise your bit of relief might come at the cost of a few thousand lives. I've left more detailed instructions for you below. Also, I know we've had this conversation before, but it's important that you not rip forms in half simply because you deem half the note more useful than the other. I have to believe you're better than a barbarian monkey man and that you can show some appreciation for.
Con đẹp. You want to walk the bee. You want to walk the bee. Come on. Chủ是个疯子啊！很高那种。我知道小心吧我。What do you do? What do you dream? No, it's protein. Sunod mo nakpasyan. So, 뭐 찍어를 저 혼났다고 신나비 tama pa mo yun nag-skip-in kasi mo dahil ay 어디야? Unaqtigeerpo uninerlavo kona puravo kona pirami kona maringami Pimia sa kangyak sa mga pi si bingo. Maniak si Mona. So what? Okay. Yep. 똑같았던 보시지요. 긴 확실함. Sao siêu nó mà sao siêu mình gặp khả năng đấy sặc sỡ à хасаавеқ порнаниартаалерпуасит қинасинааснупписиннарларсимассит тамасипаа талламатакус бай бай